Well, this time I pan fried the white cheddar bacon chicken things. They got a nice crust on the outside, but let me show you what they look like on the inside. They don't look too bad. Um, they got a nice cross section with the filling and everything. And here's the nice crust. Let, let me cut them with an actual knife, because I don't think the plastic sous is gonna cut through these. Get a bite with everything. And here we go. Let's try these out. Good caramelization. Better flavor too. But not quite better flavor that it's worth all the extra effort and hassle to grow one of these. It's only like a high 3. Plus the cheese might have coagulated. I don't think I'm using the right word for the term, but you never know. Anyways, these are okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna put them in the toaster oven and we'll see how they turn out. If they're better in the toaster oven than in the microwave or in the pan frying method. So be sure to tune into that episode of the Junk Food Critic and subscribe. You'll be glad you did.